Good day, viewers. I told you guys that in this video that we are going to do, from our previous video, that in our next video we are going to be doing or treating rationalization, where the result or the denominator would give us 1 as our answer. Because most of you will be thinking that if you rationalize every surd that is having conjugate or that is having compound surd at the denominator, that it is going to give you 1. That is not the case. See another case here. We have 10 divided by 10 plus root 2, and then 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus root of 11. How do you do that? If you can do it, go on. But if you cannot, follow us. Okay, so in this case now, the conjugate, as we already know, the conjugate of 10 plus root 2 is same as 10 minus root 2. So we are simply multiplying by the conjugate, which is 10 minus root 2, and then here 10 minus root 2. So what happens here? 10 we multiply 10, we have 100 as our answer. So we have 100, and then minus 10 times root 2 is going to give us 10 root 2 divided by. Of course, we've learned what the difference of two squares is all about. So this is 10 squared minus 2, which is 10 squared minus root of 2 squared. So we are going to have 100, or rather 10 squared minus root of 2 squared. Yes. Now we now have 100 minus this is same as 100 minus 10 root 2 all over. 10 squared is 100. So we have 100 minus root 2 squared is 2. We have minus 2. So this is 100 minus 10 root 2 all over. 100 minus 2 is 98. So we have 98 here. You can further break down. Look for that number that can go into this, and go into this. And it is 2. So 2 into this is going to give us 50. Minus 2 into this is going to give us 5 root 2. All over 2 into this is going to give us 49. So 50 minus 5 root 2 over 49 is our answer. Alright. So in this case, we have 2 root 2 here minus root of 11. You can continue with this and solve it, but it is better for us to make this a single surd. And how do we make it a single surd? We have 2 root 2. How do you reconvert this back to a single surd? You ask yourself, what is that number that you are going to take the square root to give you 2? And that number is 4. That means this, you can write it to be square root of 4 times square root of 2. And if it is so, then this is going to be 4 times 2, which is root of 8. That means what is going to be inside here actually is square root of 8. So we now I'm now going to have 6 over, the whole of this is now root 8. Because if you simplify root 8, you are going to get 2 root 2. So this is root of 8 minus root of 11. We can now multiply by the conjugate. And the conjugate of this is same as root 8 plus root of 11. Remember your bracket. And then root 8 plus root of 11. Also remember your brackets. So 6 will multiply this, you have 6 root 8 plus 6 will multiply this, you have 6 root 11 all over. This is root 8 squared minus root of 11 squared, which is 8 minus 11. It is 8 minus 11. So we now have 6 root 8. And of course, if you break root 8 down, you are going to get 2 root 2. And then 6 times 2 root 2 will give us 12 root 2. So this is 12 root 2 plus 6 root 11 all over. 8 minus 11 is going to give us minus 3. But it is not proper to have negative number at the denominator, so you bring it up. And if you bring up this negative up, we are going to have negative, we multiply this and multiply this. So we have minus 12 root 2 minus 6 root 11 all over 3. And of course, this 3 can divide this and divide this. And if that happens, we are going to get 3 into this is going to give us 4. So we have minus 4 minus into this minus 2 root 11. So this becomes our answer. Minus 4 minus 2 root 11. Thanks and God bless. Sorry. This should be minus 4 root 2. Let me write it here. The answer is going to give us minus 4 root 2 minus 2 root 11. It is error of omission. Thanks and God bless you.